What's the meaning of cha-cha? Cha-cha. Cha-cha.
Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Cha-cha is a style of Latin American dance that originated in Cuba in the 1950s. It is a ballroom dance that is characterized by its lively, upbeat tempo and its distinct hip movements. The dance is typically performed to music that has a strong Latin rhythm, such as salsa or mambo. Cha-cha is a popular dance around the world and is often featured in international dance competitions. Its energetic moves and catchy music make it a fun and engaging form of dance that is enjoyed by people of all ages.